Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. I just got home from the rink and this box from Farmbox Direct was outside. What's weird about that is it's Sunday. What's also weird about that is we haven't gotten Farmbox Direct in a really long time. So I figured we'd revisit them, see what the experience is like now. It's been since January that we haven't gotten Farmbox Direct. And I delayed my order and it actually worked this time. So much so that I actually forgot it was coming and I forgot to customize it. So I have no idea what's in here. Let's get the box open and find out what's inside. Oh, it tells me what's in here and I don't want to look at that. I'm gonna flip it and not look. Let's keep our planet healthy, and it tells me a bit about the ice packs that are gel packs that are environmentally friendly. They're FDA approved, water-based, non-toxic, and can easily be discarded or recycled. The liners are made from 86% recycled content. It explains what to recycle and how. And on the back of this card, it's reminding me that you can give Farmbox Direct a try. There's a link in the description down below. Just click through that link and you can get $10 off your first order. This is what I love about them. It's so nicely organized. Things are wrapped. Look at this. Oh, and it's nice and cool too. So let's see what we've got. Oh, some nice romaine. This is really nice. It's a nice full, large romaine, and what we've been getting from Misfits has been on the smaller side, so it's nice to get a bigger one. And then we've got some green beans. We've got 2 bags of green beans, and they package these with these Desi packs inside, and this is for humidity and static control. And some nice looking oranges, and these do start with the number 9, as we've talked about before. If the produce has the number 9 on the label, that's an indication that it's organic. If it doesn't start with the number 9, then it's conventional. And I like to know that things are actually organic. I mean, this is an all organic box, but there have been times that things have come that do not have the number 9. Not from Farmbox Direct, but that's happened with Worthy Flavors with the lemons. Happened one time. Oh, and some apples. We always get apples when I don't customize. And we're not huge on apples, but we keep getting them. It would have been nice if I remembered it was coming and I could have customized. I mean, they look good though. And each one is wrapped. And that's really nice. Especially, it was raining outside, like pouring. So the wrappers are a little damp, but it protected the produce from the rain. Oh, this is a beautiful red bell pepper, and it starts with the number 9. It's actually a lot of a good variety of stuff. Another red bell pepper. And another apple. Couple of mangoes. These are very large mangoes. Farmbox Direct is a little different from Imperfect Foods and Misfits Market because they're not Misfits or Imperfects. They're just vegetables. So it does cost a little bit more. This box retails for, I think it's like $64. I did have a couple credits with Farmbox Direct, so this was a little less for me. I think it was like $45 or just under $45. You're paying for the quality as well as the packaging because they do a really good job with that. As most of you know, I'm in New Jersey and they're now shipping from South Jersey. So this was shipped yesterday by FedEx overnight and it arrived today. So that's pretty good on a Sunday. Another red bell pepper. a couple of summer squash, and these are on the smaller side for summer squash. Some cucumbers. And you know what I need to do is make some cucumber water, because I've got some cucumbers in the fridge already that I need to use like soon. So maybe I'll make some cucumber water. Oh, this is some beautiful kale. Really nice flat leaf kale. Wow, I'm actually impressed. I think this is the most we've ever gotten from Farmbox Direct, and I haven't even gotten through the whole box yet. What is this? A kiwi. That can go in the water too. Wow. That's pretty cool. And another kiwi. I don't think we've had kiwis in a long time. Some more green beans. This is a lot of stuff from Farmbox Direct. I'm impressed with this. In the past, I don't remember getting this much. Ooh, plum tomatoes. These are large too. Another plum tomato. A pear. Another kiwi. Wow. It's like the mother load of kiwis. Some broccoli. We haven't gotten broccoli in a while. And if it were up to me, I wouldn't order broccoli. I prefer broccolini. But you know what? I think maybe I can make some broccoli soup because I can use the stems. I might do that. Small batch of broccoli soup. An avocado. Ooh, some nice looking carrots. These are very bright. Wow. I don't remember ever getting this much stuff from Farmbox Direct before. This is amazing. Another pear. Another mango. Wow. They seem to have upgraded the volume of stuff. Another pear. And another pear. I'm actually really impressed with this. Really impressed. Let's now look at what we were supposed to get. 4 organic navel oranges. Here, down. 4 organic navel oranges, 4 pears, 1 avocado, 4 apples, 3 mangoes, 4 kiwis, 1 bunch of carrots, 2 summer squash, 2 cucumbers, 2 broccolini, 2 broccoli, 1 bunch of kale, 1 bunch of romaine, 3 bunches of green beans, 3 red bell peppers, and 2 tomatoes. And it doesn't say, but they are plum tomatoes. That's nice. So let me show you, because this is actually filling up my sink. I think this is the most that we have gotten ever from Farmbox Direct. And you know what? I'm actually liking this better than Worthy Flavors. This is what it looks like, guys. Look at, I mean, this is a whole lot of stuff. These are the green beans. This is a good amount of stuff. This is the most we've gotten from Farmbox Direct, like, ever. So what do you think? Leave me a comment down below. Is this worth what I paid? About $45, just under $45. Leave me a comment down below and let me know. And everyone always asks me what I do with all these vegetables. So I made a free plant-based cookbook for you. It's on my website. Just go to aimeericca.com/freebies. Get your copy right there. There's lots of other stuff on that page too, and you don't have to just get one. You can get as many of those as you like as my gift to you for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a like. And if you want to try Farmbox Direct, remember there's a link in the description down below where you can save $10 off your first order. And I post at least 3 videos a week. 1 or 2 of them is an unboxing, and you don't want to miss any of them. So remember to subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss a video. This is Amy. Thank you for watching. I will see you real soon. Bye.